mucha vida.
My name is Max and I'm truck driver in company Duvenberg. Today I'd like to discussing about safety clothes. And I want to begin this video from helmet. It's a really important thing because sometimes can to drop on your head and it can be very bad situation. Better warm helmet and it will more safety and maybe it's safe for your life. Next step is glasses. Glasses is too important thing because it protect our eyes. And next step is jacket. It's very warm and comfortable jacket what I use. I use this jacket all time when warm, when cold in here in Europe. I use this jacket, is this safety jacket, because people will see me on truck stop, on loading, unloading. I all time use this jacket, all time. On when I'm here in on the work, I all time use this safety jacket. And I don't know, for me it's very important. I only when I go to some city for traveling I can use my normal jacket. All other time I use in this work only this safety jacket. For me it's very important thing. And when it's summer I use this safety vest. It's too comfortable and too very important. Next step, what very important, is my safety shoes. Really, I these shoes use on loading and unloading all time. It's all what I want to say. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye.